What if I told you the future of transportation is already here and it's accelerating faster than anyone expected? Not in some distant sci-fi world, but right outside your window. Welcome to the EV revolution, from charts to streets. For over a century, gasoline cars ruled the roads. They powered economies, shaped cities, and filled the air with pollution. But behind the scenes, something was brewing, a quiet shift powered by innovation. Electric vehicles, or EVs, weren't always the stars. Early versions struggled with short range and high costs, but technology kept evolving, batteries improved, and suddenly the impossible became practical. Then came the charts, sales curves rising, adoption rates climbing, costs falling. What started as a niche market began turning into a global movement. Governments around the world took notice. Incentives, tax breaks, and ambitious climate goals began pushing the transition forward. The road to electrification was being paved, literally. At the heart of the revolution lies one thing: the battery. Smaller, cheaper, more powerful. The key that unlocked longer journeys and faster charging. But what about charging? From slow home outlets to ultra-fast stations, powering up an EV is becoming easier every day. Soon, charging may feel as effortless as plugging in your phone. And now, the change is visible everywhere. Quiet streets, cleaner air, and cars that glide instead of roar. The revolution has left the charts and entered our daily lives. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Questions about range, cost, and infrastructure remain. But each year, those barriers shrink, one innovation at a time. Countries and companies are racing toward the same goal: a cleaner, electric future. From massive factories to cutting-edge startups, the competition is fierce and accelerating progress. And it's not just cars. Electric buses, bikes, trucks, even airplanes are joining the revolution. The shift is bigger than we imagined. So what comes next? Autonomous driving, renewable energy integration, and smarter cities. The EV revolution is just getting started. From rising charts to real-world streets, the EV revolution is no longer a prediction. It's a reality, driven by innovation, powered by change, and moving us all forward.